Hi everyone, it's Mairead here from Arra Vets. Today we're here to discuss Halloween and fireworks. So I suppose fireworks come around a couple of times a year. Halloween is the one that we have at the minute, but this will also apply to the New Year time as well. I just want to introduce you to my little buddy in here, Cooper. So Cooper's in here in his little bed because I wanted to give you some ideas for what you can do when your dog is nervous during Halloween. So Cooper gets a little bit scared with the loud fireworks. He's a little bit older, he's been around a while and he knows exactly what's going on. So the first thing is very practical. Make sure your dog and your cat are microchipped. So if your pet does go missing at Halloween, they can be brought back home straight away. So that's the first thing, make sure your pet is microchipped. The second thing is keep them inside, be it your house where they're normally, a shed, lock them in so they can't escape. The third thing then is what we're going to talk about here is making a den. So this is a crate. If your dog is crate trained, this is fantastic because you're already a couple of steps ahead of the game. So this is a little crate that your dog can pop into. Make it really comfy, make it really cozy. The other tip I have then is to throw a big duvet over the top too, so that the sound isn't as loud, so they can hide away somewhere. What I want to show you with this as well is this is Cooper's little bed. So it doesn't have to be a crate. You can use anything, just make a den for them. So if your dog, runs in under the couch or runs in under the bed when they're scared because of loud noises, make their den in there. That's their safe area, that's where they want to hide. The same with cats, if they're hiding in a corner, give them their blanket, give them their bed. Don't keep trying to pull them out of there, allow them have that safe spot. The third thing I wanted to talk about then with the den is Furmons. So Furmons are absolutely fantastic. I have one plugged in here at the minute. This is a cat pheromone. So when cats are feeling happy and at home and easy in their environment, they rub their chin and their back and everything off things. And what they're leaving is a scent. And that scent tells the other cats that everything's okay, it's nice and calm here, everything's fine, you can relax. So this pheromone is a synthetic form, so that's releasing it. We use them here all the time to make cats feel more comfortable here. We also have a dog form of it, so this can plug in. And again, the Adaptil one is a pheromone that the mother dog releases when she's feeding her babies to make them feel at home and relaxed. Basically, it's a message that's been sent out to the dog that everything is okay. It really helps. The other pheromones then are sprays, so it's the same product, but you spray it onto the blanket and you can put that into the crate with them, or you can spray it onto the dog's bed so that they can lie down on it. Another thing then that can be used is if your pet gets really anxious, you can start giving them supplements. Unfortunately, these supplements aren't just going to work overnight. So when it's coming up to our fireworks season, you need to start them on the supplements like about 3 weeks beforehand so that it can build up in their system. I find these absolutely fantastic and we've had great results with them. It reduces the stress, it relieves anxiety, and again, it makes your pet feel lovely and calm. If you're in a position right now where your dog is really petrified of fireworks and Halloween is just around the corner, and you're just so worried about them, go to your vet, talk to your vet. We do have drugs to hand that can help. They're stronger. These are drugs that you'll need to bring your pet in. They can't just be given out to you over the counter. Your pet will have to be examined and they'll have to be prescribed to them the correct amount. So these are drugs that, they will cause a little bit of sedation, so it'll make the dog nice and sleepy and relaxed. The final thing I want to talk about is something that you need to do with your pup and your pet way before fireworks happen. So if you're preparing for next year, you're like, right, my pet gets scared of fireworks, I want to prepare them. So this is something that you're doing over a long period of time. What you need to do is acclimatise them to the sounds. So get a soundtrack of fireworks, play it at really, really low volume and allow the pet to become accustomed to it. You can put the volume up then another step in the week after, put the volume up again the week after that. And as the volume is going up, giving your dog lots of treats. So they associate those bangs and wheeze and pops with treats. This is something that has to be done over a long period of time. It's not going to work between now and Saturday when we have our fireworks going on. So it's something with new puppies, getting them acclimatized to it. With older dogs, you can build it up slowly over the 12 months until we come back to it next year. So that's pretty much everything. In summary, keep your pet in, keep your pet, confined in a den, keep them safe. and most of all, love them, give them as much comfort as they need. There's a lot of information out there that tells owners not to like mollycoddle them when they're scared. I don't agree with this. I think, be there for them as they need it. Thank you.